So, in the last session, we understood the importance of AI tools, right? So, we discussed even in ChatGPT, the importance of custom GPT, how we use. And also, we created one draft kind of app using Lovable. Okay, today, so since yesterday we covered more about productivity related tools, like we covered something napkin, the basic idea, what is the use of napkin? So the napkin, we use it to create visualization. Whenever if you are creating any presentations, right? You can use that visualizations inside the presentation. But we will see a deep dive about napkin, all other tools as well. But most of the tools yesterday we covered productivity related. So how we can, instead of spending 1 hour of time for creating something presentation related visuals, you can create that maybe less than 5 minutes. And I told even there is a tool called Gamma for presentations. And we built some basic app. We copied something like Cal AI. I told the Cal AI, it actually like acquired by someone around $100 billion or something, right? So this is the one I told. Cal AI. If you see the Cal AI news, sorry, it's a deal $100 million. So $100 million in rupees, if you see, it's around 942 crores with one single AI app. So there are many apps like this, but this is the recent news, right? That is the reason I told this, right? There is a recent news if you go and check Cal AI. And I told you can also build this type of apps using with the directly. Using with the AI tools itself, you can build that, right? Okay, now today let's see some like other AI tools, like maybe not relevant to the productivity, since yesterday we covered, means yesterday we covered that. We will see some new things today, maybe some fun, and then also how we can actually create secondary income using with AI tools. So I told that we are going to cover both the things. Means if you are already in any particular platform, if you are a software engineer, or if you are a working professional, any platform, you will get a lot of knowledge using AI tools, how you can utilize your day-to-day, the work, whatever the productivity, how you can improve using AI tools, that you will learn. Parallelly, as I told, if you want to generate a secondary income also using AI tools, that is possible, right? So I'll give you just one tool today and then see how we can actually do the marketing and where we can actually start our freelance works, everything we will see just again basic level, since it's a demo. Okay, so let's assume that using AI, using AI, I want to create a song and I want to promote that. So to create a song, so why we need to create a song? Basically, like assume that if you need a birthday song, for example, maybe for your kids or parents, or maybe for your better off, like whoever, like if you want to, you know, dedicate the song, if you want to create one song from the music directors, how much amount you need to spend? Tell me anyone, let's say if you want to create a song on your name, the birthday song, generally what is required? We need actually lyrics. So we need to communicate lyric writer first. So we should get that contact. And then once the lyrics ready, then again someone required to compose that song. So the music, maybe music director or that particular team is required, even including singer. So there are different people involved here. Lyric writing is different, music generator different. Maybe if there are some different kind of music if you want to generate, like keyboard playing and then guitar or something, violin or whatever the music, if you want to play the background, and then again singer is required for vocal. For one song, at least it is required minimum 50,000 to create. But now this is possible with AI, with simple steps. Layman can understand, layman can create the song now. No need any technical background, right? And also not only creating, if you are really interested to start your secondary income as a freelancing, that is very much easy because less competition now for AI. If you want to start any AI agency kind of thing, then less competition. Still not yet started many people. And again, you try to understand here, many people want to create a song, but there is no specific team, or there is no specific, like, like what we can say, the connections generally for everyone. Let's say now here we have 9 people or 10 people now. How many people know, how many people here you have direct connections with something lyric writers or music directors or something like that? Maybe very less, right? And also if you know the people, it is generally we think that okay, why you need to spend this much of amount to generate that song? If you go with that people, generally you need to spend some amount. But instead of that, we can create here lyrics free, song creation free, right? Including music, vocal, everything. So how we can do that? So yesterday we actually understood how to create a lyrics. So I told that instead of using regular chat GPT, you can use custom GPT for that, right? Let's first try to create a song, and then we will see what is the importance of this song creation and then where we can get the business. Let's try to get first one poster creation, maybe flyer creation, okay? So what I want to do, assume I started my freelancing journey, only song creations. Maybe for not only birthday songs, now we have a lot of opportunities, right? So like recently, my students for this Ayyappa Mala time, last November, December, they created a songs on Guru Swami kind of thing, Guru Swami and then Ayyappa Mala related songs. They earn around 2 lakhs per month, November, December, I think Jan also. So how I asked them how you actually approached. They went to some communities and then they gathered all the connections and then they created for each song. They charged something around 8,000 to 10,000 like that. But that is actually what secondary income, okay. But they also working professionals, but they did this actually just for fashion. They need to understand how AI is working and then parallelly they want to earn the money as well. So whatever you pay here, you can earn that maybe like, I'll just give 4 5 different like the areas how we can actually generate income using with AI. This is one now. So I'm just giving one idea now. There are different ways you can earn. So if you want to start your own agency or some kind of consultancy for song creation, assume only we are focusing on song creation now. What is required generally? Advertisement, kind of like, maybe you need to create some flyer. So I'm asking that here now. I want to create a flyer for song creation. And I'm asking ChatGPT to create that. See here now, I'm just doing like this. I'm going to the dictate mode. And I'm going to provide one prompt. Act like expert in web designer. I'm actually planning to start my AI song creations. So this is for maybe birthday related or something, wedding anniversary or any vacation it is, like any celebration. So you think that whatever the celebrations, based on that, I need a flyer now. So the flyer should contains my agency name. You can just take the agency name as Perl Babu AI songs for every uh, thing. And then you can just add some professional thing, like, the areas where we can actually generate the song. And also I need to give my mobile number inside in that flyer. So my mobile number 900 00 43 454. Can you create a flyer for me? So I just provided some details here. I'm asking that first thing, I need a flyer for my promotion. So just see whether it creates the flyer for this now. So it is actually trying to create a image. Let's see how much time it takes to create that image, and then we'll see whether that flyer is good or not. And also you can ask again, maybe add an prompt for that. So the first step is what? We need a one flyer for promotion. So that is the one we are doing. We still not at creating some websites and then doing promotion. Only just one flyer. Maybe I need to just that flyer maybe I use in my WhatsApp status or I share in WhatsApp groups. Maybe some leads we will get from there. That is called organic leads, right? So let's see, it is generating now one flyer. So this flyer is actually what something, of course, name it, giving some different name, PERL, fine then, but I'm just trying to see the other content. AI songs for everything. This is what I told. Custom songs for every special moment. See this? Custom songs for every special moment. It created like that. And birthday songs, anniversary songs, vacation and travel songs, party and celebration songs. Bring your memories to life with AI generated music. So if you observe here, custom songs for every special moment. That is crazy, right? And call now, the number it provided. What else required? This is enough, right? First, initially, if you want to start. Okay, do I need to take paid version of ChatGPT to create custom GPT? Yes. At least you should have Go account. So Go is free. I hope you know that, right? So I am also using just here. If you see, this is a just Go. It's a 399 rupees, and again it is available only in India, I think. So this is free, but you need to provide your credit card or debit card details. First time it will deduct 2 rupees. It's kind of like how you create AWS account, 2 rupees it will deduct, and then again it will credit, right? So 1 year access it will be there. Same thing here also. You can use 1 year free, and after that automatically the bill it will generate. But you need to maybe 11th month like that you can remove that access if you don't want. But this is free 1 year. Anyone can use. Anyone can uh, create this Go account for 1 year free. But if you want Plus account, then only it is required 1,999, these all things. So what is Go? What is the difference? Plus, these are all the things we will cover in our actual sessions. We will discuss all tools of, these different plans, what exactly it is. But now, if you want to create a custom GPT, yes, minimum Go account is required. You cannot create with free. But Go account is free only. You can just try that. Okay, so I created a image here. Now what next here? I want to ask that, I want to focus where exactly we can get this business, especially like, top 10 areas where I can promote for song creation. Again, I'm taking help here, ChatGPT, saying that, okay, I am actually trying to promote this flyer. Can you give me top 10 areas where I can get the business, especially to promote these customized songs? So how I can approach? You can also do reverse engineering kind of thing. Let's say, for example, you can ask this. I am trying to create a song, means you are not creating. I want to create one song for birthday, whom I need to approach. So it will give the details actually, right? So you can go and check there also, and then similar way you can also do it from your side. We will see that actually. This is how the reverse engineering we do in our actual sessions. Let me just see here. What are the actual, like actually I'm trying to promote this flyer. I told, give me top 10 areas where I can get the business. So the first one, it is saying that birthday celebration, highest volume. So maybe you can see, if you maybe like, there are a lot of people, the outside, if you are in actually urban cities, like cities and all, there are a lot of people like surprise parties they do, and theater events, right? So for birthday celebrations, if you approach them and you can say that, okay, we create songs, customized songs, then you can get the deals like bulk deals from there. So kids' birthdays, wife, husband, surprise song, milestone birthdays like 25, 50, 60, like that, right? And approach, it is easy. You can approach either Instagram, or you can create a LinkedIn. You can post the LinkedIn and then you can do that. That is one thing. And wedding anniversary, you can again, you know, so you have to check that, like where we can actually get these contacts, like any banquet halls near that people need to communicate if you want to really do this. And then many people actually get a lot of leads from this creating wedding songs. So this is crazy because it's everyone celebrating now. So spending 10,000, 15,000, 15, 20,000, now people are not thinking that they need actually memories. So if you create a song, beautiful song for their wedding, then definitely you'll get, like, maybe you can create two more songs, value add, like free, like kind of thing. So this is second here, right? Third one, baby events, very emotional buyers. So again, it is a very emotional buyers, right? So people buy here for baby shower or something like, naming ceremony like that, first birthday like that. And then schools and colleges. Even recently, I went to Vignan University. They invited me for 2 days AI boot camp. I created one actually song for university anthem kind of thing. So they really loved it. And they attended all professionals, doctorates. They really loved it. So you should know, like, for example, schools and colleges, this is the right time, right? So they do some marketing for admissions, academic completed. So if they have their own song for promotion, you think that how it will be. So promotion, it is easy because through song, and even political related songs also you can create. There are a lot of areas. Scope is lot, right? Travel and occasion memories and corporate office events. You can see that, and then you can see the festival special songs. So many people are creating the festival songs, right? using AI now. And love proposals, special moments. This is crazy. You can get actually a lot of leads from this. And then content creators and influencers, you can also get from their spiritual devotional song. This is also crazy thing. So if you know any spiritual communities, if you join there and then you can get a lot of leads for spiritual. This is the one I told devotional Ayappa related songs and bhajana songs my students created. So this is like the generally 10 areas we asked. You can actually just check 20 areas, 30 areas like that. Even if you charge less than 5,000, if you create a per day 3 songs or 4 songs, you calculate how much you will get it, right? But this is really crazy, but less people are there in the market. You can create your own song. You can tribute it, or you can do the kind of business also using with this song creation, right? Now, how to approach it is giving the steps here. I'm not focusing on this now, but just I told that, okay, this is how you can actually use the chat GPT for business promotion. I created a flyer, and also okay, Azam, I don't know about this where I need to reach, means what are the actually the areas I need to focus. I got that also from the chat GPT itself. Now, what is next? We should know how to create a lyrics. We should know how to create a song. So to create a lyrics, let's say for example, it is good always if you focus on regional languages, because more connections it will be there. Let's say for example Telugu or maybe Tamil, you are from different areas, right? So you just, instead of giving English song, if you create something Telugu song or Hindi song or Kannada song based on their regional or mother tongue, you'll get more, you know, like it's like emotional touch, right? So you'll get maybe references also from there, from them. So let's see first one song I'll try to create with which language you want. Ping me here in the chat. Let's try to get that language first. Lyrics writing and then creating the song. Which language you want? Can anyone type here in the chat? Yeah, which language you want? So you just people are listening. So my sessions, once if you join there, I know it's completely interaction session. So we need to actually communicate. So whenever if someone is asking something. So the 3 different languages here. So one is Marathi, one is Tamil, and then one is Kannada, and one is Telugu, Punjabi, okay, and Hindi. Okay, I'll give one language then. You can just try the similar style. Any other languages, right? So since he here I see different languages, as we know, AI knows all the languages, right? There are some tools people are using to improve their communication skills, improve their, you know, interview skills, means like basically the body language and also the lip movement. There is a thing like in 1 minute, how many words need to deliver. So these are all the things you can track with one AI tool called Udly. It's not Idli, it's a Udly. So we will cover like that tools, okay? So you can actually use that tool to improve your language, and then in 1 minute how many words need to deliver, and then what is actually your repeated words you are using. Most of the time we use like that, right? Or any something like a keyword, some pillar words we use repeated times. It says that avoid this, and then how you can improve, and then everything it will track, and then it will give you some kind of feedback. So like this, we have a tools, right? So let's first see here how we can create a lyrics. First, I am trying to create a lyric. What I'm trying to do, I don't want to create here using regular ChatGPT, as I told that it is like a general doctor. My suggestion, create a song using with customized GPT. So if you want to access custom GPT, for that you no need any paid account. But if you want to create custom GPT, then paid account is required. You can see there are custom GPT, explore GPT options here. Just click on these explore GPTs. I told in the last session why we go here, because it is giving in detail instructions when you create a song, right? So instead of just like this, it provides intro, outro, everything. And I told the square brackets are more important for the instructions. So what I'm trying to do now, you can create any language, I told. But here, just I'm taking one language now. Let me just take Telugu. Or you can create at the same time if you want to create with your regional language or your mother tongue. I can create English, but that is a general thing, right? But if you want to get more connection with this song creation, start with your mother tongue first, and then later you can create whatever the language you want. So what I'm trying to do, I'm just trying to search song. Since I searched yesterday, I can like see I'm getting that song maker GPT, create your AI music. I am actually using this. It's not the same name. You can just search song, and then you see here maybe higher threads if you have something like charts, and then you can just click on that and then start chart here. Also, you can see here it is giving some options like this. We are going to create our own custom GPT as well in our sessions. How we can create this kind of custom GPT, we will see. Now, write an inspiration song about never give up. There is a beautiful thing, right? So make a heartfelt folk song about missing home. Write a sweet love song about first romance. Create a rap lyric about city life and dreams. So it is there already. If you want to select any one option, just for trial, you can try that. But I want to ask something. So this is again, if you are good with the prompting, then it is easy to ask here. I told prompting techniques are more important. So we will cover that prompting techniques also, right? So what I want to say here, I want to create one Telugu song, maybe for baby birthday. Assume that baby age is something 3 years, 3 years old baby. And I want to give the name as well. And create some birthday song with the motivational tone. So the tones are more important here. So funny tone, motivational tone, professional tone, friendly tone, like that. There are different types of tones. Based on the situation, what tone you want to use. For example, assume you are writing an email to your manager. Don't ask directly ChatGPT, okay, I am just applying 2 days out of office, give me a mail, I want to write manager. Instead of that, you should use that professional tone. So this is again, we are actually like, trimming that prompt instead of just speaking like your friend. So if you are using the perfect prompt with the technique, then it will give you the proper result. So that is more important, right? Okay, I'm just giving here now. Let's see, let's try in Telugu whether it works or not, we will see. I'm just trying to, what is actually, okay. So the requirement is this, name, I'm just giving the name is Babu, okay? And age, I'm giving like 3 years. And now I'm adding here with the dictate mode. Create a birthday song in Telugu language with the motivational tone for 3 years birthday. I just asked something like create a birthday song in Telugu language with motivational tone. So I need something like motivational style that song instead of just regular happy birthday like that. Let's see whether it creates what it creates like that. Okay. So it is first connecting to the other app outside. So you need to confirm it. It created some JSON kind of prompt. So we have a JSON prompting as well. We'll see that. Okay, so I'm asking create lyrics here. So not only this particular custom GPT, right? You can ask any other custom GPTs also. Since I got initially, I'm just using that, right? So now you can see it is coming with something like this. Like if you're not able to read Telugu, that is fine. Just focus how it is actually creating. So it is saying that the title Chinna Verudu Babu, it is some kind of motivational, right? So the motivational birthday song. So you need to write what kind of song you want, like a funny song or something like a emotional song or something like what tone, friendly tone, emotional tone, motivational tone. That is really required when you create this. And you can see intro and a playful sense here. This is actually the intro. It started with something like this because it's a 3 years by I asked. So started with something like la 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 like that. All right. And then it is giving the complete lyrics here. And also you can see it ended with outro as well. If you feel this lyrics good, then we can proceed for the song creation. Or you can also ask again if you don't like that lyric. You can also ask what you want to add. Maybe assume that, okay, you want to add the parent names. So all the parents, like a mother name and father name also I want to include. You can include that in the song. So you have to think what need to write. So this is just one small song we are writing, right? So birthday song. Now, assume, okay, for me, this lyrics okay. And then I'm just trying to copy these lyrics here from here, copy it. And now there are a lot of tools. Even Google Gemini, it introduced now to create your own song, but it will give you 30 seconds. We will see that Google Gemini how to use later because Gemini we are going to use for different purposes. We are going to cover Nano Banana. We are going to create some videos. We are going to create some music with Gemini. But there are other options also we use. Even if you want to generate uh, some kind of code also we will see that. There are a lot of Google tools, okay. So we will see Google AI Studio. We'll see Notebook LM. We'll see like uh, Flow we will see. And then there are a lot of other tools as well. But Gemini is one of the tool, right? Okay, now I'm not using Google Gemini here. All Google AI tools we will cover at once. I'm going to use some other tool called Suno. Suno is very beautiful tool for creating songs. Okay, so I just type Suno. It's not Suno AI, it's a suno.com. You can create daily 5 songs free. You no need to pay single rupee for this. 5 songs per day you can create. But remember, you cannot use those 5 songs for business purpose. Let's assume this, for example, you created a song using free account. You cannot upload that song on YouTube or Instagram kind of thing. It will not play that background song and all. Even if I create a song here, if I share this Zoom, you cannot listen that song basically. So because that is all some violations, right? But if you are using a paid account, the paid account, they provide that, okay, you are eligible to use as a commercial thing. So that is how the tools it works. Okay, don't think that I can just create song, free song, and then I can tribute. So if you want to, let's say for example, you're writing some song on political. So recently I told, right? So the Sarpanch election, many students actually they created songs on Sarpanch and corporators. They got amount from them. So whenever if you are writing songs like that, you need to use something tribute a song, maybe tribute song, and then you can create the name. So tribute name you need to use. But remember, if you want to just start some kind of commercial thing, and then you should actually take licensed one. So that is something paid version, not free version. So we'll see how to get the paid versions with less price and all, how to get all the deals and all. We will see in our training. But I'm just using here free version itself. So the first time it will ask your email ID. So you can provide email ID and then it will be like the dashboard like this. Okay. Once if you log in, it's already logged in using my Gmail ID. You can see 50 credits I have now. So daily you will get 50 credits. For each song, it will take 10 credits. So which means what? 5 songs you can create now. If you want to create a song directly without copying lyrics from ChatGPT, you can ask here itself what you want to create. But I don't recommend directly ask prompt here because it automatically creates lyrics and then it will create a song for us. Even we don't know what lyrics actually it is using, right? But once if it is playing, then only you can understand the lyrics. But instead of that, it is good if you create a lyric separately and then you use that lyrics because you can read the lyrics, right? Whether it is good or not, you will understand. You can modify, you can ask again. Maybe you can ask that act like a top trending lyric writer and then write the song. Or maybe if you know any famous person, let's say in Telugu or Hindi, you ask that, let's say, for example, act like A.R. Rahman writes song, write this song. So it will immediately think like, it's like a prompting again. See, whenever if you say act like one person name, that is a persona based prompting, we call it as. So if you are giving a persona based, the quality of that person, the characters of that person, like how generally, for example, A.R. Rahman, if he writes the lyrics, how he writes, that style it will use, the tones it will use. It's not about the person, it will about the characteristics of the person. So it will use the tones, it will use that style, and then it will write the song. I'm just taking example A.R. Rahman, okay? But you can use any famous lyric writer name and you can ask ChatGPT, act like this so and so person, and then write a song based on that person style. And then it will write the similar style. So these are some basic techniques. Okay. So now I'm going to the Suno again. As I told, I'm not going to use directly this because we don't know what lyrics backend it will use. Since we have already lyrics, I'm going to the create option here. So if you see the create option again, in the create option, I created multiple songs based on the different batches you can see. So recently, my friend purchased a car and then I created a song for him, like a receiving car. So that is like, you think it what song you want to create. This is completely based on your imagination. Whatever you want, you can create it, right? It takes very less than 5 minutes time. Okay, now see, I'm not going to use simple option. Again, it's like prompting you need to provide here. But since we have already lyrics, I'm going to use advanced option. So advanced option, you have to paste the lyrics. I'm pasting that lyrics here, which I copied. And see now, if you want to use different audio, if you have, you can add it and you can trim that. If you have a voice, you can just see the uh, person voices here. From here, you can take. You can also clone your voice and then you can do that. But I'm not using those options now, right? So I'm just using more option. And you want something voice gender male or female. Let's say I want this female voice. Okay, I selected female voice and then that's it now. And then I want to generate a song. So you can see there is a create option. So I have all the lyrics and then I selected female voice, only just one option. And then I'm just trying to create. See how much time it takes to create. See this. So what we did now, we created a lyrics without a lyric writer. And we are creating song now without any music director or singer. It will create 4 songs if you are using free tool. And the 2 songs, it will be 1 minute. And then 2 other songs, it will be based on your song, like lyrics, maybe 3 to 5 minute song it will generate. You know, you may aware of it. Nowadays, many people in film industry using AI tools to generate music. So recently, Ram Gopal Verma announced that the next movie he is doing everything with AI. Background music, complete songs, complete everything with AI itself. In Telugu, recently Raviteja song, it actually used Chakri voice with AI. And many web series, they are using AI music only. So recently, if you see Mahabharata also, AI Mahabharata, AI videos it created, everything background music, it's AI tools only. A lot of commercial advertisements, people are using background music, AI music, many areas. Okay, now see here the song it created. If you want, I told this is something like, as I told, upgrade required. For this, it is saying something like if you want full song, then upgrade is required. Upgrade for full song. You see now 10 credits it used already, 40 credits left now. So I told for one song, it will use 10 credits. You can create 5 songs per day. Let's say if you want to create 5 more songs, you can create another email ID. That's it, right? That is how we do. So if you have 5 email IDs, you can create 50 songs, right? 5 means 25 songs. 10 email IDs, 50 songs you can create. But again, as I told that for hobby purpose, you can create with free tool. But if you want to use that as a commercial, then you need a paid access. Okay, now let me play here now. Let's play first this one, 1 minute one. So, playful since. See, it started this. I'm not sure whether you can able to listen this song since I shared this via Zoom. Can you able to listen this? Can you able to hear this song now, music? Can you type yes in the chat? Can anyone respond? Yes, okay, thank you. Thank you, everyone. See, it is using the same. Now, this is a different song again. Let's say if you want to play some complete song here, this is a free version, it generated this. You can see that lyrics. First, it started with intro, playful sense. Now it is playing this. Happy birthday. Then verse started. You can also add, if you want something guitar, violin, whatever style you want, you can add comma, then that music. So it is going here, right? So now tell me, is this any coding skill required for this? Not required, right? We just created a song less than 5 minutes, the song creation, and lyrics again, that is separate. But song creation I am talking about. How much time it is taking. Now see, you can also see the other song here. Now one good thing is, you can download this. You can create, if you are really good, the editing skill, you can add photos, the background photos, and then you can actually create a video using this. So how to download? There is a 3 dot here, right? So just click on this and see there is a download option. I want download MP3 audio. Just download from here. It is asking upgrade or download anyway. Just click on download anyway. So it downloaded already. So this is the file now I can see. This is the song now. Right? So if you have this MP3 audio file, you can use that in any tools, like we have a Clipchamp AI tool to edit, or if you know CapCut, and there are a lot of tools. Even directly you can use in any Insta, directly you can upload that with video, right? So the video, the background, you can add this music. Or even if you want to publish here, there is an option called publish. So it will go to the, here even Suno has their own kind of Instagram reels, how we do the same style. Here also, you can generate a songs and you can publish it. And others also watch that. Others also listen it. So if you publish it, you can see it will go to the public. Now, if you want, you can share this song to anyone with that link as well. So whatever you published, you can check here. So there is a library. There are a lot of songs. Now, whatever songs I published, you can see here. So this is the published one. You can just see if you want to take this link from here, you can see the share, copy link, and then you can send it to someone. There are a lot of options available, okay? I'm just explaining only some options now. I'm just sharing here now. Now you can open this and then you can listen that song. So this is, since I published, I can share like this. So 5 songs you can generate free. So what we understood today, we understood how to create lyrics. We understood how to generate a songs based on that lyrics, customized song. And we understood even if you want to earn some amount using with this. Let's say now, for example, okay, you don't want to share that flyer in our WhatsApp status or something, in our WhatsApp groups. There are a lot of freelancing tools as well. Now, if you see, for example, there is a Fever. This is one tool. Okay, we have a lot. There is a Fever. What is this Fever? This is something freelancing. Find freelancing AI exports here. Let's say, for example, you create a songs, okay? But you need some business. You can see the AI. I just mentioned Fever AI because I need only AI services from here. Get the most out of AI with Fever experts. Just go to here and log in with your email ID. I'm not logging now. I'm only just checking now some song related. Okay, so AI song. I'm just selecting AI song here. You can see images, or you can see something like, AI videos or AI avatars. For everything, people are charging. Okay. So what I'm trying to do, there are a lot of people you can see here, freelancers. You can also start your journey like this freelancing journey from here. Many people are getting a lot of leads. If you get one lead from there itself, you will get a lot of references. You may think that, okay, this is very easy, then why people are actually giving the freelancing. So some people, they don't have time. They need some professionals. They don't want to do everything. Every company have their own standards, right? So they may give some freelancing, then they may hire some people to do this kind of work, right? Now, if you observe here, let's say I'm taking one example this. And now is from Indonesia, no English and Indonesian. And let's see here. Okay, you can see here the services. For one project, I will create a AI song cover using your voice. So means it's like cloning again. 2,472 rupees per project. More details you can see. This is for again basic one. And you can see the standard one, how much price. You can see the premium one, how much price. And you can see how many days they are taking to deliver. 5 days time they need it for this. And 4,000 for one song. You may think that who will buy it? We are using this tool. You should believe the system. Even if you are not believing the human, that is fine. You should believe the system. So now see here, six orders in queue. But this guy, 6 orders in queue now. You just think, okay, maybe assume these 6 orders, maybe they are taking some standard one, not the premium one. So 6 threes are 18,000 now already in his pocket. Only thing you need to start, right? That is more important. If you have a skill, how you can convert that skill as a hobby and how that hobby can convert as a income. That if you know, then it's like ice cream money you can generate easily. So I told today itself different ways, right? So you can create a flyer, you can share it, or you can use this kind of freelancing websites. You can start your journey from here. If you keep on post, maybe 1 week or 10 days, you will get leads from this. This is one website. There are a lot of other websites, popular websites like this. Not only learning, so in our sessions, you will also earn. So whatever you pay, that is nothing you will earn in 1 week. So this, if you implement this today, if you just create a flyer and then if you use in your WhatsApp, and then by end of today itself, you may get 1 or 2 leads. You can charge something 2,000 or 5,000, maybe less for initial time, right? So if you have skill, I told that already, you need to convert that as a hobby. Then from there, you need to understand how to get the income. So this is up to you. I'm not talking about everyone you have to do this, but if anyone has fashion, if you want to start your secondary income, this is one option I'm saying. Every AI tool you can use like this to generate your secondary income. You can use in your a regular day-to-day your works for improving your productivity. At the same time, whatever skill you have, you can start this as a secondary income as well. Now, for example, let's say you are good in making a story creation, storytelling. I'll give you that how you can create a stories using with Gemini. Let's say you want to create some beautiful images. Even for images, okay, you can see here how much people are charging. Let's see now AI image. I'm opening in front of you. Okay, I'm not just using any presentation kind of thing, right? Let's just take a random thing here. One I'm just taking. And I want to go here first, the project details, more details, click on it. And then you can see the basic one, how much they are charging for two images. Okay. Standard, this much of price. Premium, this much of price. 8 high quality custom designs. You know, how they're creating this, all the designs, it is just using with one AI tool. You can also create this. Let me just go again back here. I'm just typing AI image. I'm just taking some randomly again. Just to understand the prices, you can see the basic and then standard and then premium like this. Using AI. And of course Photoshop, but you can do the even the Photoshop now using with AI itself. Beautiful images you can create if you know how to create it. So hope you understood, right? So there are a lot of opportunities like this if you know the AI tools to create a secondary income. So only one tool we discussed today. If you know minimum 20 tools or 25 tools, you can just think, right? So that's what I told. We are going to touch with all the areas, like not only just image creation, video creation, and something like, audio creation or something TTS like speech. We will also see that how you can build your resumes using with AI and LinkedIn optimization. A lot of jobs now, if you observe in LinkedIn, let's say, for example, if you take AI engineering or AI engineer, or maybe agentic AI related job, if you see, the expectation may be different from company to company. The job descriptions, you should actually understand first, you should get that job description. It's not generic resume for everyone. You should create some template first, and then based on that, based on the job description, you keep on change that resume and then upload. So you will get this all the ideas how we can do using AI, right? But only thing, you need to spend 1 hour time daily for next 1 month. Like it's only weekdays, right? That is the reason. Maybe 20 to 25 days, more than that actually. If you spend time, then you will learn these all the things. So there are two things. Maybe you can learn by own also, but it takes time. There is no consistency. But if you spend daily 1 hour like this, you can complete in 1 month. And you can see after 1 month the difference. Okay, so you just think about that, and then I hope it is clear now. Any questions today, whatever we covered? So I will like that song creation.
Can you create also video maker like kind of?
Yeah, we are going to create video creation in our sessions. That's what I'm keep on saying. Image creations, video creation, and voice creation. This all we are going to do it. So this is just 2 days demo, right? And remember, tomorrow link will change. So you can just check with our team if you want to attend tomorrow.
Yeah,
So,
actually today I attended first class. Can you please share yesterday videos
yeah,
like
you can just with our team, and then you will get that yesterday recording. Maybe they'll share YouTube link for first 2 sessions. They upload in even YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so tomorrow link will change. Please check if you want to attend from tomorrow. The actual sessions will start. So you can get the link if you're registered, and then you will get it from the team. Now, any questions here? Anyone, if you have any questions, we'll discuss the questions. So tell me, you guys, like, okay, so have you used this kind of tool today? Like, this style of how you are using AI tools, right? Anyone, many people know already AI tools, but have you used like this? Okay, can you tell us the AI certification present in the market? So see, for AI tools, no need any certification. But if you want to start your career in software industry, especially using AI, you really require a lot of certifications for that in case if you are planning with some experience. For that, I'll give the list, not one generally. So if you want, I'll share that once, all the list of certifications, what you need to do. But again, what is your plan? Like you want to start your career with AI ML, or you want to start in Gen AI, you want to start in agentic AI, or what exactly it is? Based on that, you have to do that certification. So Python is base for that, right? So you need to complete at least Python certification first, and then if you are planning for agentic AI, then LangChain. It is depending on what you are planning. That's the reason I don't want to confuse now. So if you have a proper plan, if you want to start, maybe if you want to switch, if you are already working into AI, and then what exactly you are planning in AI, then let me know. Then we will discuss on that. And also, see, as I told in the last session, I am actually pursuing doctorate in emerging technology, Gen AI. So I know the current industry, what is happening in software industry. So complete AI things. I will guide that one also. If you want to start your career in AI, the complete roadmap also I'll give it. Okay. Okay. Thank you all then. If you don't have any questions, we'll stop today. Thank you all. Have a great day. Try to create your song today. At least maybe if you married and then you create a song on your wife or husband and then kids, or at least create song on your mother or father. Just dedicate them one song. You see the happiness from them. Thank you all then. Have a great day. Happy learning.